How can we teach kids creativity?
Humankind is facing its biggest challenges that require creative solutions. Complex problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity have been rated as the top 3 important skills that all people will need in the future. New knowledge emerges every day, and traditional learning by memorizing is no more enough to prepare our children for the future. Schools are not teaching creativity, which is the one single most important skill that everyone will need in the future. Imagine a world where learning is fun, student-centered, real-life related, and prepares students for the future. Play, create, and succeed is the essence of Arkki's philosophy. This means learning through success and positive feedback. Creative thinking enables the children to see the world full of possibilities instead of obstacles. We want to empower children and youth with the most essential 21st century skills for becoming innovative influencers of the future. Arkki has 26 years of experience in creative education, and in Finland, Arkki's program has been approved by the Finnish Ministry of Culture as an extracurricular creative education program. Arkki program is a cross-disciplinary STEAM program. It consists of multidisciplinary projects that combine different STEM subjects through architecture and design. So architecture is the A in our STEAM approach instead of art. Architecture is naturally interdisciplinary and requires a combination of knowledge from different fields and professions. Arkki participated in a creative education research commissioned by the Finnish Ministry of Education. After 6 months, 70% of pupils identified themselves as creative thinkers and 90% of pupils identified themselves as critical thinkers. The study also found an increase in the participating children's curiosity and empathy skills, and a decrease in task avoidance and failure expectations. We have a wide range of different programs, from a 15-year-long after-school curriculum to workshops, short courses, and social innovation programs, from the age of 4 all the way to the age of 18. Arkki program spreads through our licensing model. Our local partners train local professionals to teach our programs. Teaching is offered at Arkki centers and in schools. Creative Classroom is an online learning package for K-12 teachers. Arkki programs are taught in 7 countries. During the COVID crisis, we wanted to support families. Arkki at Home free projects reached children from 43 countries in 8 languages. For 20 years, Arkki has carried out dozens of social innovation and participation projects with children. We have partnered with local authorities such as the Thai Parliament, Helsinki City, Ho Chi Minh City, and UNICEF, among others.
I love projects where children are involved in urban planning. In Vietnam, I was training our local partners, and in our project with UNICEF, the kids were able to make a real impact in their communities.
Okay, so the first question for you, are you patient enough to listen to kids? I mean, first, as a smart city, you think, what do we need? Technology, trees, or something that could satisfy all of their needs?
Nó có thể lấy năng lượng mặt trời. Thay vì làm xi măng thì mình sẽ bao lớp bức tường bằng cây.
Hồi xưa thì có rau, từ từ thì nó thối đi, con cảm thấy buồn và tụi con nghĩ ra ý tưởng này để trồng rau này cho các em ở đây và mọi người ở xung quanh cùng ăn.
We at Arkki believe that our program gives the children means and mediums to be active citizens and creators of the future, no matter what their occupation will be.
Creativity is the new literacy.